I like the idea of actually being honest. I'ma tell the truth to you this time, I promise. Chain smoke burn, too many holes in the carpet. I still think about the views in my old apartment. I wanna go back home. It's getting old, I know. I'm agoraphobic, so I never wanna go out. Had a baby as a kid cause I didn't pull out. Took a hit of L when I started seeing tie-dye. I just did a seance cause I still needed to know why. I never apologized, fuck that, you were wrong and I was right.